Peace, Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And I miss my Divines. I haven't seen my Divines in a while. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And today, as you can see in the title, these juices are particularly beneficial for weight loss, but like any of my juicing videos, these juices are simply very nourishing, very healthy for you in general. But I do want to make videos where you can see what it can be good for as well, so you have choices. But either way, it's definitely beneficial for you regardless, so you don't have to be losing weight. And as far as it goes with weight loss, ideally I would not recommend approaching weight loss from a perspective of just wanting to lose weight. I would approach it from a place of understanding that the body needs to be cleansed and detoxed, and the things that you are eating could be changed and other things. Of course, I can do a video on that at a later time. I definitely can confidently say when you adopt a nutrient-dense plant-based lifestyle, you can be assured that your weight will always stay the same, and you can even gain more weight if you want to, more dense weight. But having a nutrient-dense plant-based lifestyle, it will always keep you at your weight that you're supposed to be for your body. So that's a definite big plus, being plant-based. Okay, this video is particularly juicing videos where I wanted to focus on weight loss. So the first juice that I am going to make, it has blueberries. I have some blueberries, and I'm going to use some grapes right here as well. I'm using a whole bunch of grapes. I'm not going to use all of these grapes, but I'm going to use some of them. Some cucumber. Okay, so let's make the first juice. Okay, so I'm going to put some of the softest ingredients in first, and like always, I will put the benefits and the recipe, the ingredients, everything in the description. Okay, so I'm going to take a good handful of these blueberries and I'm going to put them into the Nama juicer. To take a good handful of these grapes, and I'm going to put them in here. To take the cucumber, and I am going to put the cucumber in and try it right now so we can get on to the next juice. So we have about a good 20 ounces here. All right, our first weight loss juice of blueberries and grapes and cucumber juice. Okay, let's try it. Lovely. I love it. So refreshing because of the cucumber. And remember, you can always complement your juices with a fresh piece of like an herb like that you want to add to it. Okay, let's get into our next juice. Okay, so the next juice is simply some strawberries and lemon with some filtered water. And you can definitely use coconut water if you want to as well, of course. So I'm going to take my lovely strawberries. I'm going to add some lemon, and I'm keeping the skin on it. And then after I juice this, I'm going to add some water to it. Okay, let's juice it up. And so this is a simple juice. Again, for weight loss, it's just strawberries and some water and some lemon. And remember, you can use coconut water. Let's try it. Yep, it's sweet and refreshing. Tastes like Jello. Okay, let's get into the third juice. Okay, so this juice is blueberries, strawberries, the beets, and the beet greens, okay? And I probably made this juice before. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of the soft ingredients first. I'm gonna take some of the blueberries. I'm going to take some of these lovely beet greens because they're nice and soft. Okay, and I'm gonna take some of these strawberries, a handful of strawberries, 4 beets. My hands are nice and red. Love to put it on my lips. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to juice this up. Okay, so we're going to try it. It's very, very rich in and has a lot of zing to it. But it's good, definitely. If you love juices, you love this. So as always, I want to thank my divines for spending time with me. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bottle up these juices and put them in the refrigerator and continue to enjoy the rest of my weekend. And I want you to continue to do the same. And as always, continue to be blessed. Continue to be abundantly blessed. Continue to honor yourself. Peace, divines.